安心しろ。お前たちは俺が死んでも守ってやる。くわっ。What's up mga Hitsuraang, mga choy, mga chay? Welcome back to another HK tutorials, and for today's lesson, you will learn how to write and read Japanese calendar or the calendar. Without further ado, let's open Photoshop. I know that you'll always be there. Okay, calendar. Okay, so months. Tsuki. Nangatsu desu ka? January, that's ichi. Put gatsu. Ichigatsu. Simple. February. Okay, that's ni gatsu. Ni gatsu. Simple. Very easy. March is sangatsu. Sangatsu. Easy. April is Shigatsu. Shigatsu. May is Gogatsu. Gogatsu. June. That's Roku. Rokugatsu. July is Shichigatsu. Shichigatsu. August is Hachigatsu. What is September in Japanese? Kugatsu. October is Jugatsu. November, that's Ichigatsu. Juichigatsu. December is Nigatsu. So now let's go to this. Okay, Monday is Getsuyobi. Tuesday, that's Kayobi. Wednesday is Suyobi. Thursday is Mokuyobi. Friday is Kinyobi. Simple. Kinyobi. Saturday is Doyobi. Sunday is Nichiyobi. Okay, how about the days of the month? So it's another term. So Ichi is Tsuitachi. Tsuitachi. Ni is Futsuka. 3 is Mikka. ちっちゃいつ Mikka. Okay. 4 is Yokka. ちっちゃいつ Yokka. 5 is Itsuka. 6 is Moika. 7 is Nanoka. 8 8 is yoka. Yoka. 9 is kokonoka. No ka. 10 is toka. Toka. So that's 10, 11, 11日. 11日. You just have to add nichi. Next, 10, 12. Add nichi. 12日. Okay. 10. Next is 10, 13. 13日. Simple. I mean, 13日. Someone is calling. 14. So that's 10, 10. So this is special. So that's 14. 14. So how about 15? That's 10, 15. Add nichi. Just have to add nichi. Okay. Next, 16. 16. Nichi. Add nichi. Here that's 10. 17. 17 nichi. Next, 18. 18 nichi. How about 19? Okay, that's 10. That's 19 nichi. 19日. So 20 is 20. 20. The 21 is 21 nichi. 22 is 22 nichi. 23 is 13 nichi. Okay, so 24 is another special. That's 14 ちっちゃいつ4日24日 25 is 15日25日 26 is 26日26日 27 is 27 add nichi 27日28 8 is 8 add nichi 29 that's 20 29日 how about 30 that's 30日 how about 31 that's 31日 just going to encircle the special, so you have to remember this one. Special is 1 2 1日2日3日4日5日6日7日 8日、9日、10日、14日、19日、20日、24日、29日. So that's it for me, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and hope to see you guys in the next HK tutorials. This is Kakashi Sensei on behalf of Hitsuraang Kulisaw signing off. Peace!